much. But I don't know, maybe I'm just biased, or maybe I'm just upset with this product. Like, how can you know that there is already a Cottage Fresh in the market, and then you now go and make your own Cottage Fresh again and call it the same name, the same color of container, the same size? Like, it's annoying now. Hi guys, and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you in detail how to identify the fake from the original Cottage Fresh Alata Samina black soap. If you are a lover of Cottage Fresh soap and you've gone to the market and you've seen a variety of this soap to the extent that you are confused and you don't even know which is which, this is the video for you. If you have never used Cottage Fresh Alata Samina black soap before and you are thinking of using it right now and you don't even want to go through the hassle like that people like us went through before getting to know and identify the authentic product, this is the video for you. Yes guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Guys, this matter is serious because you know the pain of wasting money in buying imitation products. One, not to talk of the confusion of going to the market and not knowing which product is original, which product is fake. So I'm here with my notebook, everything in detail, to tell you guys what I found out between these two products. It's just leaking away between these two products. Now, the first difference and how you can identify or differentiate the fake from the original is the name of the company. The original is produced by Get Ad. That's the name of the company, and you can see here that Get Ad is written underneath the logo of the map of Africa. Why for the imitation, the duplicated product or the fake one, you can see the name of the company is not Get Ad, it's Ronic Multi-Trade. And instead of having a map of Nigeria, having a map of Africa on it as like their brand logo or something, it has like a globe. Yes, this is a globe on the container under with the name of the company. Another difference is this 100% natural. Let me come close so that I can see this 100% natural that you are seeing here. You can't see it anywhere on the fake of the Cottage Fresh product. That's another thing. Another thing is this Ghana that is written here, Cottage Fresh Ghana Alata Samina Pure Herbal Soap. That's what is written here. But on the fake one, it says Cottage Fresh Alata Samina Pure Herbal Soap, no Ghana. Can you see? And if you watch that my other video when I was reviewing this product, I was saying that when I saw that it was made in Lagos, I was like, is it not supposed to be made in Ghana? And as at that time, it didn't register in my head that this is the fake one. Oh, it didn't really register. Much later in the video, I'm going to tell you why. So yes, you can see when you see Ghana, Cottage Fresh Ghana Alata Samina Pure Herbal Soap, that's when you know that yes, you've laid hands on the original. That's the second way to identify. Good. The third way to identify, many people may miss it, but you see this pure herbal soap written here is with dark ink, but on this one is written with green ink. That's another difference for you to know. Another difference I've noticed between the original and the fake is that this super toner is written under a red background like this, as you can see. But for this one, they just wrote, I'm talking too fast, they just wrote super toner with big handwriting, front size on the pack. Those are some of the differences that you can see. Another very glaring difference for you to know that you are buying the original is this lady here. You can see she has a wig that has coils, while this one, the lady on the Nigerian version, which I strongly believe is the imitation, has like a straight wig or something like that, but the lady here has a coily wig. Another difference between this and this is that the original Cottage Fresh Alata Samina soap from Ghana has this original here, original written in white on a red kind of like line or background. Yes, they wrote original by the side here. That's another difference between the original Cottage Fresh and this fake one. This one doesn't have original written anywhere on it. That's another way for you to know that you are buying the fake or the authentic product. Good. Now moving on, let me go to the ingredients. Good. For the ingredients on this Cottage Fresh, the original is composed of Alata Samina glycerin and fragrance. That's all, just 3. But when you go to this fake one, ingredients: boku, cocoa potash, PKO, glycerin, ionized water, color, lemon, fragrance. Those are the ingredients for this one. Meanwhile, on the original Ghanaian black Alata Samina Cottage Fresh soap, is just Alata Samina, glycerin and fragrance. That is another way for you to identify the original from the fake. Good. Another very glaring example, another very glaring indication that you are buying the authentic product is this QR code. The original Cottage Fresh soap made in Ghana has this QR code. For some of the Cottage Fresh that is also made in Ghana that I've seen, that's the older version they used to make. It has a smaller barcode. It's kind of like 1/4 of this size. Yes, kind of like 1/4 of this size. Well, I strongly believe that you hardly see it in the market. Mostly what you see in the market these days is this one with the big code and QR code, while the fake one does not have any QR code. In place of the QR code, it has this barcode that I'm sure means nothing. So that's another way to identify the original Cottage Fresh Alata Samina from the fake Cottage Fresh Alata Samina. These things are just popping out of my head because I have looked at this product and compared it. Good. Now let me mention another one. Do you see these containers? This one is like a brighter yellow compared to this one. Abi, that is another difference for you to know. Not only that, look at the cap of the products, like the cover of the product. You can see this one kind of like is more rounder and the same size with the bottle. That's the container where the soap is, while this one is kind of like has a hollow here, a step here. That's another difference that you should know about this Cottage Fresh Alata Samina soap. Now, another way you can identify that you are buying the original Cottage Fresh is this. I don't know. Yes, my camera can focus. You can see Cottage Fresh, add Cottage Fresh Ghana written on it here. Add with their African logo, Cottage Fresh Ghana. You can see it inscribed. I don't know if my camera is focusing. Yes, this is the original. On the original, you will see it inscribed Cottage Fresh Ghana with that and their logo on top of it with that registered trademark or something. I don't really know what that R means written there. Not only that, underneath it you also see Cottage. Yes, you can see Cottage here for the original soap, whereas the fake, just imagine, they just wrote Ronic Original under. I hope you can focus. They just wrote Ronic Original under, and then on top of it you can see how clear it is. It's even reflecting, while this one like is a dollar color. So you can see the difference. This is the original and this is the fake. Good. Now, as if that's not enough, there is another difference between the original and the fake in the labeling. Now, if you look at this labeling, you can see it's just a pure label. It's even reflecting light. This labeling on the fake Cottage Fresh soap is just a pure paper label, while the original, I don't know if you guys can see or if you guys will be able to see. You know how when you are looking at a Naira note, God, I'm talking too fast. Like, I'm passionate about getting rid of all the fake products in the market. So, you know, like when you hold a Naira note and you can see that beyond the surface inscription there is like another inscription underneath it. I really don't know what it's called, but if you look at the original Cottage Fresh soap, you see that beyond the labeling on the surface drawing, like there is another writing that is inscribed inside the labeling of the text. It's kind of like transparent writing. It's not really as clear and bold as all these other ones you are seeing. When you look at the body by this side of the packaging, all this side where they didn't write anything, you would see that it has some other ink markings on it, while for the fake one it's just clear like that. I don't know why my camera can't focus on this one. So that's another difference, another way for you to identify the original from the fake Cottage Fresh soap. So that's that about identifying. If I pay more attention to this thing, guys, I kid you not, I'm going to see 1000 differences between the original and the fake product. Good. Lastly, guys, for some of you that are going to say, how am I sure that this is not the original, that this is not the fake product? I'm quite certain that this is the original product, because another difference is that when you go to the website, you will see the website for this one that I believe is the fake one is ronicmultitrade.com, www.ronicmultitrade.com, while this one is www.cottage-fresh.org. Good. When you go to the website on this Ronic, which I believe is the fake, you will not see anything on the website. You will just be seeing some bunch of addresses in Lagos that really don't mean anything. Like, you can't see anything about the products. They didn't mention anything about the product, just a bunch of addresses and phone numbers on the website. Meanwhile, when you go to this Cottage Fresh website for the Ghana Alata Samina soap, which is the original one, you see their list of products. You see what they claim the product works on, stretch marks, toning and all that. You see them write it, all the different types that they have in the market. They also have a white variant of this Cottage Fresh soap in the market. They also have like a hair cream, they have a toner. What else do they even have? They have a something like Morning Fresh liquid wash. Yes, they also have it. So you see details of their products on their website. Meanwhile, this one has nothing. So it made me strongly believe that this is the original and this is the fake. So yes, that's that, guys. But there's one last thing I also need to mention. What's the difference in usage between this and this one? Like, does one work better than the other? I cannot tell you that this so-called fake one doesn't really work at all. When I was using it, really worked. It toned me. I didn't have pimples or blackheads or anything like that. It works. This one also works, but I feel like the toning effect and the clearing out spots and all that for this one is faster. Yes, it's faster than this one. They are both the same size and everything, but this one kind of like does a better job than this one. The differences are not really much, but I don't know, maybe I'm just biased, or maybe I'm just obsessed with this product. Like, how can you know that there's already a Cottage Fresh in the market and then you now go and make your own Cottage Fresh again and call it the same name, the same color of container, the same size? Like, it's annoying now. So guys, I feel like they both work, but if you ask me personally, instinctively, I feel like this one works better than this one. Lastly, yes, I forgot another difference I need to mention. When you buy the original Cottage Fresh from Ghana soap, you will see that, sorry, I've lost the seal. Like, I've been using this for over a month now. When you buy it, it's full to the brim, and then there is a paper wrap on it. On the original one, there's a paper wrap on the inside of it that kind of like covers the soap up completely. And I think it even has some inscriptions on the paper. I can't really remember because I've thrown the paper away. But for the fake one, these Ronic people, they also have a paper. When you open it, you also see like a nylon. Did I say paper in the earlier one? Please forgive me, I meant a nylon, like a transparent nylon. You also see a transparent nylon on this fake one. But the difference is that while the transparent nylon on the original one covers the entire soap and you literally have to like peel it off and remove it, this one is just like they use quarter nylon to paste it on top of the soap, and you just remove it like that, like quarter nylon, and it doesn't cover all the surface. Hey God, I'm talking too fast. It doesn't cover the entire surface of the soap. So that's another way for you to identify. When you're buying this soap, they'll definitely let you open it. It's not like it's a sealed product or anything. You can open it and check, and then pay attention to all these things I've mentioned. Pay attention to the lady in the drawing. Ronic, once you see Ronic, run for your life. Run to get ad. Look how I'm just even advertising for this get ad. This is not a paid video, but I just hate rubbish. I beg, going to the market and being confused, like which of these is the original, which is the fake. So yes, that's it, guys. I hope I'll be able to give you enough information for you to make good product choices about Cottage Fresh in the market, and look out for all these things I've mentioned, how to identify the original from the fake, And if you are using this product, tell me in the comment section if you've ever bought the fake one. Did it really work for you? Because I believe it works to an extent, but I'm just pissed. Like, how can you go and make a product that is similar to another product that is already existing in the market? Like, I'm really pissed. So yes, let me know in the comment section if you've used this soap, if you enjoy using it, and if you already know before watching this video, how to tell the difference between the original and the fake. I hope you've enjoyed this one. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Check out my other videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys, and buy original. Buy original. Buy original. I don't sound patriotic right now. I sound like I hate Nigeria. I sound like I'm a Ghanaian, but I hate rubbish. How can you go and see that they've already made one soap, then you now run and go and make your own? Call it the same name, call it everything, and put it in the market. Can you imagine? Made where? Ajibola Street, Lagos. These ones, where did they make their own? Get Ad Enterprise, Kanishe, Accra, Ghana. Just imagine, copied the product, made me to go and buy fake. Annoying Nigerian for today.